I'm going to show you guys how I prep my nails, whether it's for gel nails, acrylic, gel X extensions, to help them stay on longer. So your basic tools are going to be a cuticle pusher, a file, and that's it. Dry. Or you could soak them in water, hot water, or use a cuticle softener like this one, but I just like to do it dry. But this time I'll soak them in water. Warm water. Okay, so I soaked my fingers for a few minutes. And I'm just gonna cut off the length. This one already broke. Now, I just want to push back the cuticle so that there's no skin on the nail plate. That's what causes lifting and will make your nails not last as long. And just push it on this end, scrape all gently while the cuticle of the nail. Take some alcohol spray. And just right down the cuticle. And if you need to go back in, you can do that. You want to try to be a little tedious so that your whatever you do on your nails, it will stay and last a long time and not get bacteria under there. Okay, now that I've finished that, you can file down the rest. After you're done that, just want to make sure that you buff the top of the nails before you do anything so that it will stick and adhere well and last longer. Like that. For the cuticle, you can always use an e-file and a cuticle bit, but for DIYers like me, just want it simple, you can just use a cuticle pusher. Now, after that, you're all ready to put on your gel polish, gel extensions, poly gel, acrylic, anything. But if you want to go the extra route, you can push up your epinicium right here. It's a little hard. You can trim that down with some cuticle nippers. But if you're not used to it, I would recommend not doing it, because you could cut yourself. But if you want to try just a little bit, it's fine. Trimming down the cuticles, you can use cuticle nippers and these cuticle trimmers for the sides as well. This, you just push like that. But I personally don't really like it because you don't really have much control. So I like to use the nippers. And for this step, you can re-soak your cuticles in warm water or use the cuticle softener. And you can always do a little bit and go back. Okay, it's ready.